Sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin yung the art of flawless communication. I'm Joms and I help men conquer the fear of rejection by mastering confidence. And sa video na to, we will master communication to elevate your relationships. Kahit anong relationship, friendship, and for sure, kaya ka nandito because gusto mo sa girls. So, ano ba yung mga signs na wala kang effective communication? So, number one is madalas kayong nagkakaroon ng misunderstandings. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo fully naiintindihan o hindi mo fully nasasabi yung gusto mo sabihin. Number two is awkward silences. So, we don't want that lalo na kung nasa dating stage kayo. So, we don't want things to be awkward. We don't want things to be something na walang connection. Because awkward silence, walang connection dun. Number three is feeling unheard yung partner mo. So, basically, kapag lagi na lang niya sinasabi, parang hindi mo naman ako pinapakinggan, ganyan. So, andun na yung magsisimula yung away. So, kapag kalagi na lang ganun is number one, you'll struggle to connect with others. So, hindi ka makakapag-connect kapag hindi mo ine-enhance yung communication skills mo. Hindi lang yung speaking skills but also your listening skills. Number two is relationship may feel na tawag doon? Yung pinili ka na lang dahil wala na siyang ibang mapili or wala na siyang ibang options. Yung parang last options ka na lang and ayaw naman natin mangyari yon. Number three is you face a lot of conflict and a lot of confusion. Kapag ganun yung nangyari, this will hurt your attraction, this will hurt your relationship, this will hurt yourself din. And this is important to know because effective communication is key to strong relationship. Again, communication is not all about speaking but also to listening. So that's why in order for you to have a flawless conversation with someone, practice active listening. Ibig sabihin, be present on the moment. Huwag lilipad yung isip mo kapag may kausap kang tao. You just need to listen actively. So, minsan kasi ang ginagawa natin na kapag nagtanong tayo, magugulat, mag-overthink ka na, putya, ano ba yung susunod kong magandang itanong? So, hanggang sa hindi mo na siya napakinggan. But ang tip doon is pakinggan mo lang siya and mag-fish ka ng something o mag-fish ka ng information na something na maging interesado ka. For example, na-share niya na mahilig sa mag-beach. Ganyan. Tapos tinanong mo, okay, ano na yung pinakamagandang beach na napuntahan mo? So, sinabi niya, kunwari, Siargao. Ganyan. So ikaw, interesado ka sa Siargao, then ask more about Siargao, na na-enjoy niya dun. Ano yung babalik-balikan niya dun. Yung mga ganun. So, in that way, you are being interested instead of being interesting. So, with that one, ma-achieve mo yun by being present sa moment. So, with that one, with active listening is, ang relationship mo is, number one, is magiging deep. Kumbaga, magkakaroon kayong deeper connection with someone. So, depende yun sa dinidate mo ba yan, or sa friends mo, sa family mo. Number two is, you feel more confident in conversations. So, hindi ka na matatakot, hindi ka na mag-overthink na, putik, ano ba yung mga sasabihin kong next? Ano pa kaya gagawin ko in order for us to escalate things? So, with this one, with just active listening, by being present on the moment habang nagkikwento siya, is you'll gain knowledge, you'll gain something about her, ma-check mo kung fit ba kayo o hindi, mga ganon. And number three is you'll reduce misunderstandings and conflict. So, basically, this one on whole, sa lahat ng relationship na meron ka. With active listening, hindi ka nakukonsume mo lahat or naririnig mo lahat. So, kasi kapag hindi ka masyadong naririnig, hindi ka masyadong nakikinig, for example, sa teachers mo, kapag lumipad na lang bigla yung isip mo, bigla mo na lang naisip yung gagawin yung highlights mo sa basketball kanina. Bigla ka na lang mag-space out. Hindi mo na maintindihan yung lesson. So, ganun din. If you're trying to date someone, if you're trying to build a deeper connection with someone, please practice active listening. So, in that way, you will build more deeper connections. So, yun lang. Let's go.